Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make a pear and blueberry crisp. To make the crisp topping, mix the flour with the cinnamon and the brown sugar. Add pieces of cold butter and press it into the dry ingredients. When the mixture is crumbly, add the oatmeal. To make the filling, peel the pears and cut them in small pieces. Add orange zest, the juice of 2 oranges, the blueberries, brown sugar, and flour. Mix until combined. Place the filling in a baking pan. Spread the topping over the filling. Bake at 350 for 40 minutes.